How's it going, guys? My name is Scott, and I'm going to do an opening. I already know what this is, but you don't. Fully packaged. I got it from eBay. Okay, got it from Amazon, and let's just get into opening this thing. It is absolutely massive. It's like 2 times my head. Yeah, 2 of my heads. See, so let's just get straight into open it. Yeah, there you go. Let's see what's in it. I can't actually open it. So let's just do a little knife in the middle. Yeah. No. That was actually very dangerous. Yeah, but this is, oh, look at all that. It's all rubbish. I wish they did bubble wrap. Oh, and here it is, boys. Look at that. Boom. It is Nerf attachments. So we have handlebar. Well, it's kind of cool. Let's get in some light. A Nerf scope, a Nerf handle, and a Nerf, I don't know what you would call that. Promix barrel, apparently. And that's a folding grip. And yeah. It's basically a scope. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video. See ya. I don't know what I said then. See ya.